Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day. Happy New Year. Happy 2020. Okay, first things first. Go ahead and click that subscribe button for me. Go ahead and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? Real quick, got some packages I want to show you guys. Can you see that? Okay, I'm not going to open them all because, again, I don't want to be a channel to just sit up and open a bunch of packages. But just want to show you guys. I'm going to open the one for Impact Mailing. This is a company in which I mail flyers, okay? And you can make money by mailing this flyer, and they sell leads. These are buyer leads. That's what you're buying into, okay? So you can make $65 all the way up to $1,000, okay? And then I have the Postcard Tycoon, okay? Front and back, it's in color, okay? And you make $300 per sale with this, guys. And it includes 250 leads, 250 postcards in your packet, okay? See that? And not to mention, on every fifth sale, you're going to get 500 free postcards, 500 stamps, and 500 leads, okay? All right, so those are the two that I'm going to show you. I'm not even going to open the rest of these. And someone asked me before what's on my sweatshirt. Secure the bag, guys, okay? That's what we're here to do in 2020, secure the bag, okay? And I'll put the links below because I set up a funnel. Even though Impact Mailing doesn't have a website, I have a funnel for it. So if you're interested in promoting this online, go through the funnel. Then, of course, the Tycoon has a website, okay? And everybody gets a website, so check that out as well. And I just joined a digital program that offers training, okay? It's going to be hot for 2020. It's going to be very hot for 2020 and very popular. It's going to be a great program, something new, something fresh, okay? So I'll put the link below for that if you want to make money online, okay? So real quick, like I said, I'm not going to open all these. I'm just going to open these two, and we're going to keep it short and keep it moving. I look forward to working with each and every one of you. Okay, so this one, see, WTM? WTM is for the Tycoon, okay? See, it says it right here on the back, WTM Pub, okay? So I got a package from them. I already know what that is, okay? But I'm going to show you guys. All right, let's open this one up. Okay. This one is, I don't want to reveal someone's information, so I'm going to show you this. Okay. I'm going to put, here we go. I'm going to put this in front of it, guys, so that you can see the amount here. 300 bucks, you see that? December, sometime around Christmas. Okay, you can see that? So people always think, oh, you're not going to be able to make money during the holidays. Not true, guys. Not true at all. Actually, that's the best time to make money, is during the holidays. And right here, it says right here, matter of fact, here is the order form. See? $12.24. Okay? So that came in, that's 300, okay? And then let's open this one. I know this is from Impact because I spoke to the lady on this one. Hang on, let me see. Oh my, it's really tight, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to open it. Huh. Hang on, let's see here. They really have it on here, really good, which is good. Let's see if I can get it open. I may have to get some scissors on this one. I should have had some scissors prepared. Okay. Just going to kind of rip this one open. You want to mail this stuff priority, okay? To make sure that the company receives it and then I receive mine. Okay. It's wrapped up really good. Okay. Wow. It's really tough to get in here. She really wrapped it Good job. Okay, so let's see. Okay, it's a nice card. Oh, how nice. It's a nice card. You see that? Okay. Inside is, now that's really wrapping. Okay. Let's see. First, there's my stamps. Okay. Let's see here. Daphne, welcome aboard, Daphne. I'm going to cover up the information down here at the bottom. So this is the order form for Impact Mailing Club. And then here is the money. Okay. So, 65 bucks, guys. So that means she came in at the emerald level. Okay. So you got the 65, I got a book of stamps, and I have my money order. I'll put the information over it. My money order. Okay? So not bad, guys. Okay? So this does work. As I said, I'm not going to open the other packages up, but if you're interested in a simple business, you know, just mailing postcards or mailing letters, okay? Reach out to me. Click the links below. Check them out. If you have any questions, give me a call. I'm going to match with the Tycoon. It comes with 250 leads. I'm going to give you 250 leads as well. And then Impact Mailing Club comes with leads. That's what you're buying. You're buying leads. So whatever package you buy, I'm going to match that as well. Okay? As well as I have a sales funnel for this and a lot of other marketing tips and strategies for you. Okay? All right, guys. That's all I've got for you. Thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Until next time, see you on the inside, guys. You guys have a blessed day.